What's up YouTube? Today we're going to showcase a great looking watch, the DW5600BBM-2. Now this goes back and pays tribute to the old 5000 series, the old 5600 watches, and they do it in great fashion. This one is a matte blue colorway with gorgeous monotone band, but it also has this gorgeous, nice looking display. It's hard to explain, but it's an orange colorway with kind of a rose gold, or some would say pink, hued red tinted negative display. Show you guys a better close-up look right there. Look how gorgeous that is. It's hard to capture the colors, but it's supposed to be orange colorway around the edges. And you have that cool negative kind of a pink or reddish pixelated display, which is negative. Awesome watch, guys. And it's very inexpensive, which I think will look great with the right kind of clothing. All right, here's the tag on this puppy. The DW5600BBM retails for $99, but it's actually, you can find it a lot cheaper. The module is 3229, and there's your SKU number. All right, in case you're interested, look around. You can find it for about maybe $80. And if you look at the right sources, like myself, you can get it a lot cheaper. Okay, here's the back plate on this puppy. DW5600BBM with the 3229 module. All right, this is made in China. Inexpensive watch with a lot of cool functions. Okay, you have the day of the week on the top there with the month, the date, and the time. Okay, you also have the option to view the year. That's how you fix it. Okay, you have alarm, timer, stopwatch, back to your home time. Now notice that in each window timer, you still have the time displayed in the right corner, which I think is a great feature. Stopwatch and back to your home time. Pretty cool. Let's check out the backlight on this baby. There you go. So even though it's got like a pink or huge backlight, the backlight doesn't affect the color of the backlight. You still get a nice blue and the glow color on that backlight. Okay, there you guys have it, the DW5600BBM-2, part of the series with 4 different monotone colors. This is just one of those 4. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, this is Chicago. I'll let you boys. I'm out of here. Peace.
My G-Shock, I'm rocking 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 my G-Shock.